Hey guys, Greg here coming to you with another episode of Greg's Bonsai. Today we're going to be going over another one of my lemon trees. I think this is the last one out of my first group of lemon trees that I'm growing. I'm just trying to do a little bit each year with these. But we're going to designate this guy Lemon Tree E. And to kind of give you an idea of size, this is Lemon Tree D, which was my last video that I did. So it's just a little shorter, a little smaller. But these guys are just kind of the smaller of the five that I have currently growing. But this guy looks strong. You know, the trunk looks rather strong. It is kind of at the top, so I'm gonna have to put a little bit more soil in here, I think, just to kind of strengthen that up. But I do have something growing here. I think it's a leaf of some kind. Nope, never mind, it just kind of fell. So it wasn't growing there at all. So that just fell off the tree at some point here. But this is the smallest of my trees. And you can kind of see here that we did lose a little bit of leaves as they were going up, and just in a couple different spaces. And in my last video, I did talk about how some of these leaves fall off. So we have the leaf here, and there's like a sub leaf. Let me see if I can get in a good shot of one. So here's the bottom leaf. So here's the leaf. Okay, and then they've been falling off right here at this little mark. And then there's this small bit here that kind of stays on and then falls off later. Not sure why. And again, I'm gonna have to research and figure out why that's the case. But we do have a little bit of yellowing on some of these, and browning, I guess you could say. I think it's just maybe possibly too much sun. I don't think that's really what it is. It might just be that it's either been over or underwatered. So that's going to be on me to try and figure out the great balance for all of this. But it is still growing. I'll see if I can zoom in here and kind of show you. So we do have some growth happening right up here at the top and over here on the side. So it is still growing, so that's not a problem. So it is still being pretty good. I haven't fed this in a while, so I should be feeding this and the other one soon when I start taking them inside. But yeah, these guys have just been, this one especially is small and compact and growing in like an area of 3. So part of me is trying to figure out, should I get rid of one of those branches, or should I just kind of wait a little bit and let it grow a little bit? Although they are just growing in on each other a little too much. So that's going to be a thought probably for the next season once this grows a little bit. Hopefully it grows a little bit. But until then, they're just kind of going to be competing on each other. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, this guy, like I said, pretty small. Watering regime is pretty much the same. I water at night when the sun goes down. We're kind of, you know, in the evening here. So the sun's in the front of the house. The front of the house is to the west. But a lot of really nice, you know, branch work here. So I'm interested to see how this will go. Maybe I can make this into a smaller bonsai tree instead of the ones that are bigger. My semi-plan is like kind of make one full-sized and just let it grow, and then make like incrementally smaller trees just to kind of see how that works. But we'll see how that works out over time here. But this guy, again, no thorns on this guy either. So I'm just not sure if it's not big enough and it's just not growing fast enough yet. So we'll find out as this tree gets older. We'll put that on the checklist to check out. But until then, this is Lemon Tree E. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll see how it grows. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of this guy. if you think it's going to prosper or not. We'll keep an eye on it, because I'm mainly using these videos as just a way to document my work and to go back and kind of see how I've been doing it on a month-to-month basis. Usually on a month-to-month basis. Like I said, I try to get at least 3 videos in a week, and I've got, you know, I'm gonna show you guys in the back here, I've got a nice amount of trees growing right now. So 3 a week. I'm trying just to kind of hopefully get enough in each month that it covers everything. But yeah, so this is Lemon Tree E. We'll keep you documented and posted on how this guy's going. Leave a comment down below, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, with that bell just to let you know when I post a new video. So until next time, guys, take care, be well, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.